Hey, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we're gonna see the easiest way to install the Python library. For this particular thing, we're gonna use pip library. So if you don't know about pip library, I will give a brief introduction about what is the pip library and what is its use case. So you can see this are the Python documentation. So pip is a preferred installer program. Okay. So with starting with Python 3.4, it is included by default. So this particular binary is by default present if you're using Python 3.4 and above versions. So it gives you virtual environment in a semi-isolated Python environment, which allows you to install all the packages. And with the help of this pip library, we're gonna install multiple packages in our uh, system. So first you have to go to this particular link, uipi.org and project/pip. I will give you URL for this particular thing in the description. So as we read here, this particular pip is already installed, but let's check again. Just we have to run this command. So if your pip is of older version, it will update. For that, even if you are on Windows or Mac, just open your terminal and paste this particular command here, pip install pip, and just hit enter. If your pip is of older version, it will update the pip. See, I am currently using pip 20.0, 24.0, and the latest version is 24.2. Just copy this particular command. You have to copy this particular command, paste it here. It will upgrade your pip version. It is okay. My pip is successfully upgraded. Once you have the upgraded pip library, what we have to do? We have to search here different projects. So suppose I have to install the NumPy library. So let's click on NumPy. So it will give you all the NumPy libraries. Just choose the latest one. In April, this one is the latest one, +9. Just copy these things. You can see pip install NumPy. Again, you have to come to your terminal, paste this particular thing. I will just clear the terminal. That we can I clear the terminal. Just right click and you can see the command pip install NumPy. Just you have to hit enter. It will automatically install the pip. Okay, it is again saying on the pip. Let's I already upgraded the pip. Okay, now let's again install NumPy. Okay, NumPy is already present at my system. So this is how you can install multiple Python libraries. I will show you how to install TensorFlow. Search TensorFlow. See, it gave you TensorFlow 2.17.0. You can just copy this particular command and just paste it here. It will install TensorFlow in use. This is how you can install multiple Python libraries with the help of pip library, pip binary in either Windows or Mac operating system. So that's all for this particular video. I will see you in the next.